So we are right now on the pedestrian part of Nanjinglu.
With who? With?
We are with Jeanette. Jeanette! Hello!
Hello!
Alge!
Alga. Yeah.
Cadence!
What's this burger?
Mrs. Shoes!
This is Mrs. Shoes.
Jose! And Emma!
Yeah.
Susan and Ariane.
Minha menina.
Meu menino.
We're together.
And we
This
love it.
iron. So beautiful.
So here is very touristic area. There's many people from all over the world.
Yeah.
Everything is very expensive.
And too much lights and everything is like so beautiful. No?
We look like we're in a pinball machine.
Yeah, look at this, like pinball machine, you know?
Too many people, it's crazy.
Yeah,
Look, and he wants to sell us some rolling shoes. Oh, the police.
The police coming with a small car. This police can't take the guy. This car and too much people here. It can't. Okay, can you show a little bit?
Yes, of course.
From here. Up. It's so beautiful. Light. Oh God. Então, muita gente.
And a lot of people.
A lot of people olhando com português. Ela entende direitinho o que eu falo. God, like she say Nova York, no?
Las Vegas.
Yeah, it's like Las Vegas. Yeah.
Casino. But there's no casino. It's just, they put all these lights to sell like dried kiwi.
Yeah. What?
Betty Boop Las Vegas Dream Collection.
Ok, finalizando aqui o meu filmezinho na China, numa rua aqui totalmente turística da China. Um beijo na minha menina.
Oh.